Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's make Kerala-style Bata fish, roast spicy, juicy, and packed with authentic flavors. Fresh fish coated in a fiery homemade masala, cooked slowly in coconut oil with curry leaves and kanthari chilli, creating an irresistible aroma and mouth-watering taste in every single bite. Take 1 kilogram of fresh Bata fish, cleaned well. Make small cuts on both sides of the fish so the masala beautifully absorbs into every layer. Now, let's make the flavorful Kerala-style masala. In a mixer jar, add 50 grams of small onion for that natural sweetness and rich taste. 8 small spicy kanthari chilies for that authentic Kerala heat. 20 grams of garlic. 20 grams of ginger. 2 stems of fresh curry leaves for that irresistible aroma. 20 grams of tamarind for that perfect tangy kick. Crush them slightly to release all those rich aromas. Now add 2 teaspoons Kashmiri chili powder for beautiful color and mild spice. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Salt to taste. 2 teaspoons water. Grind everything into a thick, smooth, fiery red paste. Add this delicious masala to the cleaned Bata fish. Drizzle 3 teaspoons of pure coconut oil over the fish for that authentic Kerala flavor. Marinate the fish really well, so every inch is coated with spicy Kerala goodness. Let the fish rest for 1 hour. This resting time makes the roast extra juicy and flavorful. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Place some fresh curry leaves on the pan. The sizzling aroma is simply irresistible. Carefully place the beautifully marinated Bata fish onto the hot pan, allowing the rich masala to sizzle gently. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on low flame until the masala slowly thickens and coats the fish beautifully. Once perfectly cooked, gently flip each fish one by one with care, keeping the soft, juicy pieces beautifully intact and unbroken. Again, close the lid and cook for another 5 minutes on low flame. And there you have it, spicy, juicy Kerala-style Bata fish roast, perfectly cooked and bursting with flavor. Best served with hot rice, kanji, or tapioca. Finger-licking deliciousness guaranteed. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.